So pretty much, I think nearly every aspect has been covered by the previous speakers. So I will just touch upon what all do we need for preparing for the companies which ask questions related to statistics and machine learning. So I was recently preparing for analytics job and with a focus on machine learning. So that was my area of interest, and that's what I'm going to discuss. And as Mridul has previously mentioned, I will also be touching upon what is the role of an analyst in a consulting firm. So, as most of you are PG students, so Annie has already told that consulting firms won't open for PG students, but there were a few of them like Deloitte Consulting, McKinsey Knowledge Center, and PricewaterhouseCoopers, which opened for us PG students, and they were strictly analytical profiles. So it was business consultant, then analyst, and associate consultant. So in those particular firms, a stress was on statistics and machine learning. So analytics and consulting, what's the role of an analytics person in a consulting firm? So, like we all know that in analytics domain, in doing a machine learning project, we apply certain machine learning models on a particular data set. So, we are aware of the popular algorithms and how to apply them on our data set. Suppose I am from geoinformatics, so I apply machine learning algorithms on spatial data. Similarly, a consulting firm which is providing consultancy to an industry or a firm working in a certain sector, suppose finance, so we'll be required to apply our machine learning knowledge to their problem sets, and the data set would change, but the concept would remain same. So to give an example, like McKinsey Knowledge Center, which hired from IIT Bombay this year, in its lab has mentioned that a person in analytics role would be working both for supply chain management, giving consultancies to firms which work on supply chain management, having a close look on the supply chain process and applying models to get more efficient working out of them. As well as in the second team, they will be working for other companies working in other domains such as banking and finance and insurance. So the data set would change, but your concepts and models would remain the same. So that broadens up your domain a lot, because if you focus on a core analytical job or a core machine learning profile strictly related to your MTech or BTech project, so the data set would be very specific to your problems. But here, you are more focused on the algorithms, on the concepts, and then you go on applying those concepts in different fields and on different data sets. So, I hope I'm able to convey that in analytics consulting, the domain is very wide. And the career growth is very similar to a consulting person, because as you can see that we join as a business analyst, then we become a consultant and then a senior consultant. So this is an example of Deloitte consulting. The graph career growth is an example for Deloitte consulting. So the essence is that we'll be developing statistical and machine learning models for a given client. So after that, coming to the analytics preparation which I went through for such kind of companies. So broadly, there are three areas, which is an aptitude test, a statistical or a test on statistics concepts, and some machine learning written test, or it might be asked in the interviews. So the aptitude part was covered by I think the previous speakers, like Pariksha.co was a very good platform on which you can practice, because you just need to brush up your skills, because aptitude is anyway on our kids generally. Coming to the statistics part, all the tests which I went through in on this talk didn't go in very advanced concepts of statistics, I think. So just the basic concepts of descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression, and other basic concepts such as confusion matrix would get you through all the written tests. So So, for example, in Deloitte Consulting, there were several sections which were one was aptitude, one was English, and one was statistics. So the problems given in that statistics section were only from these areas. I will be talking in the next slide to how you can cover up these topics. So coming to the machine learning part, the machine learning part, obviously the basic concepts should be very clear and you should be very thorough with that. Apart from that, based on your resume, so like I was working in my master's project on a neural network based model. So the interviewer grilled me on convolutional neural networks. So that is in a way specific to one's resume. But yes, neural network models, decision trees, and support vector machines. These three are the most popular algorithms asked generally in machine learning interviews. So anyone preparing for a machine learning interview or for a machine learning profile must be very thorough with at least these three algorithms. After that, hands-on knowledge of algorithms on simple data set will be an added knowledge. So this is a very specific point I included in my slide, which is based on my experience. So in our department, we have a course in which our professor teaches us a lot of machine learning statistics. And one unique thing which he makes us do is that he asks us to apply a machine learning model on a very simple data set. So generally, when we are learning machine learning, we think that we have to apply it on very complex level problems and very deep problems to get very nice looking lines on a resume. But on the contrary, in the interview, the interviewer asks or expects you to solve very basic problems using the concept. So that professor in our department made us use or apply decision trees on a rainfall data set or a simple data set of a person playing tennis based on atmospheric conditions. So this is a very simple data set whether the person will be playing tennis if it is sunny or if it is raining or not. So he asks us to apply decision learning on that data set. And that same kind of problem was asked to me in the interview. The interviewer asked me, do you know decision trees? I said yes. He asked me, if I give you a very basic data set of day-to-day problem, can you show me and or can you apply it right now? So I was very confident in that. So I would highly suggest everybody to just get a detour from your MPPs or BTech projects if you are using machine learning in them, and try to also apply the machine learning algorithms which you are learning on very simple, the most basic of data sets, because that will really help you in your interview. So the last point is know your data sets and frameworks thoroughly. So this is also one of the points I experienced in my interview. What I had done is like I was doing a project under a professor. And I was planning, like I was in the intermediate, in the mid stage of the project, so I was planning something for the future. So I was planning to use a particular framework. So I got a verification from him that I will be using such and such framework and doing such and such work. And I have done so much amount of work as of now. He gave me the verification. But as I moved on with the project, what happened is, the particular framework I had mentioned in my resume didn't work out. So actually it didn't have that capability or it didn't have that functionality which I was looking for. So I had to change the framework which I was using. But eventually because it was there in my resume, I had to prepare it. So one thing I would like to suggest is that sometimes we tend to write statements in our resume like we implemented such and such model in suppose TensorFlow or Keras or some other library, but then we are forced or restricted to be very well prepared with them because we have written that particular line on the top or the front page of our first page of our resume. So I would suggest that you can avoid that writing the framework there, and if you are very good with it, mention it in your skills part. Apart from that, if you have written a particular framework or particular library in your project description, be very thorough with that, because in my Deloitte interview, I was really great on TensorFlow. I had written that I was doing my master's project on TensorFlow, and they asked me to actually draw a graph of a simple person from a neural network. So I would advise that you should be very clear and very thorough with all the frameworks and you are using and the data sets which you are using. So if you say that I have worked on such a data set, you should know the integrities and the nuances of that data set very well. Okay, so coming to the resources. So as I said that the topics required for statistics are very basic and should be you should be able to cover it with any basic course in statistics. So one of the courses which my bachelor's have taken is Statistics for Management and Research at SJM SOM. So the major benefit of that course is that it is a half semester course. So and it runs in odd semesters. So during the placements, if you want to take an institute elective, that is a very good option because it is a half semester course. It won't take much of your time, and the professor or the guide gives elaborate case studies in this course, which prepares you thoroughly for statistical case studies. A slight drawback of the course is that it does not give you all the mathematical background of the formulas. So this is the feedback of that course. Apart from that, I found this particular thing very useful. It covers end-to-end the basic descriptive statistics and hypothesis testing. This thing is quite useful. For machine learning, I took a course CS 725, which is taught by Professor Ganesh Ramakrishnan of CS department. So, for the thorough mathematical background, I would recommend this course. But I would also tell you that this course is highly loaded because you have to go through quiz every week. So if you are involved in other activities or you have loaded semester, then please avoid this course. You can take its slides or video lectures from your batchmates and prepare it. I found that decision trees and the basis of probability are very well covered in this course. For neural networks, obviously CS would be one, and I believe whoever is going through machine learning would be very well aware of this course. It is instructed by Andrej Karpathy, a very famous name in machine learning. So this course will very well prepare you for the basis of neural network, backpropagation, convolutional neural networks, which are in fact asked in detail if you are going for analytics or machine learning profile. So I was graded on CNN because my MPP also involved that. So the interviewer asked me to explain CNN in very elaborate detail. So this course will be highly beneficial because it covers everything regarding neural networks. One of the popular algorithms, SVM, which I mentioned, it is very well covered in a tutorial by IIT Hyderabad. So it is a two-part tutorial. Each video is around 15 minutes. So it is concise. It just takes 2 hours time, and it will prepare you for SVM end-to-end. So that is highly recommended. And apart from that, I'm also a company coordinator. So I have been noticing that for machine learning profiles, natural language processing is quite in demand. It has been asked or mentioned in the JAF a lot this year. So I added this line here, a CCCS 224N, which is a course, a very good course on natural language processing. And yeah, at last, one hack I used in the later stage or just before the interviews were about to begin. So after you were done, after you were thoroughly prepared with all the theoretical concepts and all, so just before the interviews, I googled like top 40 questions on machine learning or top 50 questions on data science, and went through such links, which is one of the links is from Analytics Vidya website, and some were from KD Nuggets and other popular websites. So I think such reading actually helped me a lot in a way that when I was ready with the concept, it helped me formulate my answers for the interview in a very proper way. So I would highly recommend you to go through such things and read it because and in some things they have actually given that for a particular question the interviewer would be expecting such and such keyword in your answer. So it actually helps you think in a way and properly structure your answers before going to the interviews, and then being prepared and creating an impact there. So this is practice I would recommend and from my personal experience. So yeah, that's all. It will not take long. At last I would just like to say that have at least one or two people with you, partners, with whom you will prepare for the placement process, as said by the previous speakers. That having a group and preparing with them always helps.